Hello.
Hi, we're Shane and Corinne from Homes by Hoven.
And this is our family home here in Mermaid Waters on the Gold Coast.
We designed and built this one ourselves. We've just put our finishing details on it. Come and check it out.
Come check it out.
I feel so
So we really wanted it to feel like a big space, and we've got like an open living, dining, kitchen, and it flows beautifully through to the outdoor area.
What's our style?
Coastal Hamptons.
Coastal Hamptons is the style we've gone with. It's kind of a bit of a spin on that, but we've gone with these nice oaks, whites throughout, and brass finishings and tapware. We put these stacker doors in because we wanted to muddy the waters between indoor and outdoor.
So these ones are cavity doors, so they slide in and out, and they're so easy to slide. Even I can do it with my big muscles. And they just make a transition to one room to the other just so much easier. So yeah, love these.
So one of the things that we wanted to have out here was some protection from the sun. Our westerlies get really quite nasty here, and we've just got an app that we use for all of our blinds. I'm just going to close the whole area. So as you can see, we've now got full privacy, as well as keeping the insects out, and it's nice and cool. But no one can see in.
No one can see in, but we can still see out, which I think is ideal.
Now the beauty of it is how Luxaflex put this together for us was we were quite specific about that we didn't want to have the mechanisms or the blinds sitting where you can see them. So as they come up and away, they completely disappear, so you wouldn't know that
all
they're
hidden.
there.
All right, so come upstairs, we've got more to show.
As you can see, we've come up with these Luxaflex pirouettes, and if we just use our pebble, we can reveal all.
I just love it. And the fact that it looks so streamlined and it just hides away and you just don't even notice it's there. It allows heaps of light in, but then privacy, so no one can see in either.
This is our daughter's room. She's got the same similar style bay windows, so we actually just wanted to have those. Here you go, here's the pebble.
Yeah, so this one's the same.
lost in paradise.
So it's really nice, makes this a really nice usable spot. You can see the water there, and then again, Gold Coast skyline.
Yeah.
Such a nice spot. But again, it cools this room down perfectly.
Yes.
It's a really nice layout. I love them.
That's it, hidden away.
So.